eyes to see, no light inside, just empty skin and teeth that glide. A single noise, a breath too deep, and he will tear you from your sleep. If you make a sound, he hears through every wall, through every fear. He doesn't stalk, he doesn't stare, he's simply there with claws to spare. So hold your breath, don't even sigh. He finds you fast, you don't know why. Laces tight, he comes without the gift of sight, but noise to him is perfect truth. He smells your panic like a sleuth. A sniff, a step, a crack of bone, and suddenly you're not alone. He doesn't knock, he doesn't speak, he simply cuts and leaves you weak. If you make a sound, he hears, he feels it crawling through your tears. No warning given, no delay, just silence gone into soul decay. Don't pray, don't crawl, don't even hum, because if he hears you, you're just done. And if you think that he's not near, that's when he's closest, sharp and clear. We tried to hide, we tried to fight, but sound became our final night.